To remove ice from your car, first turn it on and switch the heater to the defrost setting. If all of the doors are frozen shut and you can't get in, spray around the opening of one of the doors with a de-icer so you can open it. Make your own de-icer by mixing 2 parts rubbing alcohol, or 3 parts vinegar, 1 part water, and a few drops of liquid dish soap. Use a snow brush to brush off any loose snow while your car heats up. Try breaking up sheets of ice by hitting them with the palm of your hand. Then, brush the broken up pieces off. If you can't get the ice off, spray it with de-icer, then scrape it away with a plastic ice scraper. Alternate spraying and scraping until the ice is all off. Avoid using hot water to melt ice on your car, since the difference in temperature between the water and ice can actually cause your windshield and windows to crack.